Alright, hey guys, it's Dubs, and this is box break number 107, 12-13 Rookie Anthology from yesterday, Thursday, August 22nd. So here's the list of winning bidders. And we got a couple of new bidders here, so welcome to Big Kid, Little Kid to my breaks, as well as FD Thorsby, Codfishy, and Travis Strickland. When I first wrote out your name, Travis, I missed the S on your last name, so the first time I read it out I was like, Travis Strickland, okay. And then the second break you were also in, and I noticed my missed S, so I was going to mispronounce your name had you not been in the second break, so I'm glad that I could get that right for you. Alright, the short straw bonus cards for today. We will be featuring a game-worn gear of Gabriel Landeskog from Titanium. We've got a rookie rivalry of Cam Atkinson and Jonathan Blum from Anthology, and a crease cleaners of Kerry Lettinen from Limited. So if you fail to get a hit during the regular portion of the break, you'll still be eligible for one of those. Our roulette board today looks like this. We've got a green on 34, green on 32, orange on 30, green on 25, green on 23, orange on 21, green on 13, green on 11, orange on 9, green on 4, and 0 and double 0. So at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away the associated prize. Our green chip for today is a Calvin DeHaan Phenoms rookie card from Limited, and our orange chip is a Philippe Cornet rookie silhouette from Anthology, aka Crown Royale and Rookie Anthology. So if we spin any chipped number, we'll give away the associated card, and if we spin both colors, we'll give away the higher chip value, which is the orange 50. Okay, so here's our box of Rookie Anthology. We will get to that in just a second. But before we do, I'm going to spin the wheel. We're going to show a team on our team board and give that team away for free, just to start things off. So we are going to start things off on 24. Will start us off. So the team behind number 24, who will be getting their team refunded to them, is the Chicago Blackhawks. So congratulations to Lucky Dog 21. I will refund the Blackhawks to you a little bit later on, and you have them for free. Chicago. Okay, Rookie Anthology box. So here's our serial number here. NE190601015. More space here. There's our prism pack, which we'll open up first. Those packs, empty box. There's our stack. Okay, first pack. So we got a Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Prism base card. And our first hit is a Jordan Staal Rainbow Prism for the Carolina Hurricanes and Wrangler Nation. So that'll be our first strike of the break, followed by a Tyler Kuma rookie for the Minnesota Wild and Skeet 93. And for Wrangler Nation, for getting the first strike in the break, I will be including a pack of 11-12 Elite. There you go. So there's your first strike winner. Pack number 1 slash, just a second, let me adjust this. There we go. Okay, we got James Reimer for the Leafs, Staal for the Hurricanes, and for the Edmonton Oilers and Bummer Boy, we've got a Vezina Contenders of Devin Dubnyk. That one is numbered 749 out of 999. We got a Spacer and Pecorine for the Preds and Alexander Semin for the Hurricanes. This one feels sizably thick. Thick with the Spacer. PK Subban for the Canadiens. Lundqvist for the Rangers. Nash for the Rangers. That's Spacer. Duchesne for the Avalanche. And Miller for the Sabres. Get that whole base pack out of the way early. Brizgalov for the Flyers, Phaneuf for the Leafs, and then for the Vancouver Canucks, it is a Cup Contenders of Henrik Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks and Sigpa, and that one is numbered 531 out of 999, followed by a Spacer, Kopitar for the Kings, and Datsuk for the Red Wings. Red Wings, actually. Next pack here, we got the Nuge up top for the Oilers, followed by Foligno for the Jackets, Gabrick for the Rangers, and then we've got ourselves an Ottawa Senators Jared Cowan Towering Defenders jersey card for the Ottawa Senators, and Travis Strickland. So black jersey swatch there for you, and that one is not numbered. And then we've got Ansimov and Molson to finish off that pack. And we got Yuri Hudler for the Flames, Ward for the Hurricanes. Then we have got ourselves Contenders Legacies of Bernie Nichols for the LA Kings. 1 digit off on the serial number, not in the single digit format, but the hundreds. It is 743 out of 999. So it's going to be LA Kings and RNOM2. Spacer. Carl for the Lightning and Kane for the Hawks. Alright, getting down to the last 5 packs. We have Boys up top for the Islanders. Alfredson for the Senators, And for the Buffalo Sabres, it is a Thomas Vanek Hart Contenders for Lucky Dog 21. And that one is numbered 12 out of 999. And behind that, we've got a Scratching the Surface autograph of Gabriel Landeskog for the Colorado Avalanche and Wrangler Nation. So nice hit there for you. And Dustin Brown for the Kings, and Olli Jokinen for the Jets. This one feels thick, and we will set you aside for later. Okay, Howard for the Red Wings, Quick for the Kings. Then we have got a Elite Rookies of Michael Stone for the Phoenix Coyotes, and that one is numbered 980 out of 999. So that'll be going to Felix Victoria. Then we've got a Spacer, Henrik Sedin for the Canucks, and Adam Henrique for the Devils. Zach Parise up top for the Wild. We got Zetterberg for the Red Wings. Then we've got another Colorado Avalanche hit. It is Cameron Gaunce, and that is a bronze metallic marks. Once again going to Wrangler Nation. Spacer, Giroux for the Flyers, and Van Riemsdyk for the Leafs. And we have ourselves Sutter for the Penguins, Clemenson for the Panthers, Surrey for the Ducks, and then for the San Jose Sharks, it is a game-worn gear of Joe Thornton. That'll be heading to Linda Scouts with a black jersey swatch. Then we got LeCavalier for the Lightning and Ginla for the Penguins. And our last pack. We've got Kiprusoff up top for the Flames. Stamkos up after that for the Lightning. Elliott for the Blues. Suter for the Wild. Then we have got a Great Outdoors from Elite. That is Patrick Kane, numbered 320 out of 500. So we'll be heading to Lucky Dog. And our last card going to the Phoenix Coyotes. It is a Rookie Treasures of Michael Stone, dual burgundy jersey swatches, and numbered 259 out of 699. Heading to Felix Victoria. Okay. Now we'll take a look at the prize board. So we're going to spin the wheel to start us off to see what number we're going to be giving away. And then we will reveal the prize and see what we get. That is number 27. So close to getting a double zero. So number 27 and we will delete this spot here and we will zoom in, And that is going to be an 11-12 Rookie Treasures of Devontae Smith-Pelly. So there it is, Devontae Smith-Pelly Rookie Treasures from last year, numbered 23 out of 499. So we're going to spin the wheel one more time, and we will then reveal the team on the bonus board to see which team is going to be winning that one. So here's the spin again. And that is number 6. So team number 6. And that will be going to the LA Kings. The LA Kings are owned by R&O M2. So the Pelly will be heading to R&O M2 and the Kings. Pelly to the Kings. All right, short straw. So these were the cards for the short straw. I'll go through them again. We've got the Game 1 gear of Landeskog, the rookie rivalry of Cam Atkinson and Jonathan Blum, and the crease cleaners of Kerry Lettinen. So we'll take a look over here. These teams at the bottom all got hit, so we will move them off to the side. 2 by 2. And the remaining teams, we'll put them all together and put them into this cup. We'll shake them all about. So, first up we'll go from left to right. So first up for the Landeskog. That will be going to the New York Rangers and FD Thorsby. Next up for the Atkinson Blum. That will be going to the New York Islanders and Tivoth. And the Lettinen will be going to the Tampa Bay Lightning and Lucky Dog. So those are your short straw winners. And now we'll take a look at the roulette board. So these are the numbers that we have spun today. We spun 24, 27, and 6. So we'll see if any of these yield a prize. So we'll start at 6. 6 is blank. And then we'll scroll down to 24, which is blank, and 27 is also blank. So what we will do now is we will give you guys another shot at this. We're going to spin the wheel 3 more times just to see if we can get anything. So here's the first spin. And that is going to land on the 0. So at least we'll be giving away the Calvin DeHaan Phenoms card. So spin number 2. And that is going to land on number 18. And number 18 is blank. And the last spin to see if we can get ourselves an orange. That is number 23. And 23 is green again. So that will be the card. The Calvin DeHaan Phenoms. And we will spin the wheel one more time and reveal the team on the team board to see which one of you guys is going to be taking that one home. So here's the spin. And that is going to be team number 14. So team number 14 is going to be the Philadelphia Flyers. So the Philadelphia Flyers is owned by Codfishy. So congrats, Codfishy. You'll be taking home the Dahan. And now we will take a look at our bingo board. So here is our bingo board. We'll be emptying the cage now to see which of the two boards is going to get blackened out and see which one of those is going to be broken. So we have 14, 54, and 75 left on contenders and 14 and 24 on elite. If both boards end off with the 14, then we will do a spin to see which one is going to get broken. So we'll just start revealing as we pull marbles. First one is G54. And G54 is going to give us a spot on board number 1. So now it is all tied up. Marble number 2 is N31. And N31 is blank. The next marble is 075, and 075 will give us a spot on board number 1. 1 to go on 1. Next marble is G51. And just quickly look at the screen here. G51 is blank on both boards. Then our next marble is I-27. I-27 is blank on both boards. Then we are going to get number G58. G58 is also blank on both boards. And our next marble is B14. So that is our marble B14, which means the box we will be opening is 11-12 contenders with the last chip placement. So we've blacked out board number 1. There we go, blacked out. And we will bust open that box of contenders, which is right here. So I'm going to go through this pretty quickly, and I will only be focusing on the hits. If you want your base cards for this, please just email me to let me know, and I will be more than happy to send them out to you. Otherwise, we'll lay these all out and we'll go through them. Okay, there's our messy pile. Empty box. So this is our bingo blackout bonus. Free box for you guys here, so there we go. So we're going to try to go through these quickly just to get them out of the way. Base. Okay, I'll go through a little slower than that. The first pack had Washington, Colorado, Edmonton, and Ottawa and LA. So at least mention the teams. Vancouver, St. Louis. Hey, we got a Calder Contenders autograph of Sean Couturier. Very nice hit for the Philadelphia Flyers and Codfishy. That one's numbered 505 out of 800. So nice hit there. Boston and Detroit. And we got Montreal, Chicago, Boston, the Ducks, and Philly. We got Pittsburgh and the Philadelphia Flyers, and we got an NHL ink of James Reimer for the Toronto Maple Leafs. That'll be heading to Flyers Takedown 716. So nice hit for you there too. And Winnipeg and Phoenix. It's gold. Yeah, I guess it would be gold. I guess the other hits would feature silver text. Oh yeah, look at that. Here's to checking the serial number for serial numbers. Number 2 out of 25. So rookie mistake there for me, not checking the serial number of the card. So that is number 2 out of 25. We got the Lightning, Devils, Flyers, Lightning, and Oilers. Stars, Bruins, Canucks, Oilers, and Capitals. So yeah, on that Reimer, I'd said that it was a nice hit, and now it's a nicer hit. Oh boy, how you miss things sometimes. Phoenix Coyotes, Vancouver, Red Wings, Sharks, and Flyers. Penguins, Jets, and we've got a Cup Contenders insert of Patrice Bergeron for the Boston Bruins and Bummer Boy, and that one is numbered 516 out of 999. Spacer, Buffalo, and Red Wings. Jackets, Sharks, Blues, Canadians, and Blues. The Rangers, Canadians, Stars, Spacer, Canadians, and Bruins. Then we got the Blackhawks, Sabres, Wild, Kings, and Islanders. Wings, Ducks, and we've got an NHL ink of Andy Meal for the Phoenix Coyotes and Felix Victoria. That one is the silver variant, as I now see clearer, and those ones are not numbered. Spacer and Wild and Kings. Stars, Rangers, Penguins, Sabres, and Blues. Now we've got 3 autographs and an insert, so I imagine there will be a couple of inserts falling into place now. Quick, enough. There's one of them. It is a Contenders Legacies of Mario Lemieux for the Pittsburgh Penguins and F.D. Thorsby. And that one is numbered 524 out of 999. Spacer, Senators, and Avalanche. 4 packs left of our nice free blackout box of 11-12 Contenders. Bruins, Stars, Rangers, Spacer, Predators, and Red Wings. Then we got the Panthers, the Leafs, Senators, Sharks, and Jackets. Oilers, Hurricanes, and we've got ourselves a Calder Contenders of Lance Bouma for the Calgary Flames and RNOM2. That is numbered 006 out of 999. Spacer, Sharks, and Leafs. And the last pack will contain a Leafs, Wild, a Calder Contenders auto of Cam Talbot for the New York Rangers and F.D. Thorsby. That one is numbered 20 out of 800. So that hit will close off this box. Spacer, Red Wings, and Ducks. So that is it for this box break of 12-13 Rookie Anthology with the blackout box of 11-12 Contenders. Congrats to everybody who got hits, and I hope to see you again next time.